say the early bird gon' get the worm. Feel like I'm stuck in line, waiting my turn. All of the L's I took are lessons I learned. Success, it gotta be earned. Tell me why they sleeping on me. 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 Tell me why they. Find me in the middle of the map, right in the center. I'm a saint right now, but we all born sinners.
What is up, you guys? It's your boy Wheelie Jr. back at you again with another banger. Here we go. Let's get it. Let's go. My boy Chuck out here on the GS500F like you've already seen. Got my boy Peyton coming up in the rear on a custom chopper. Let's go. What do y'all think about choppers, man? I've always wanted one. Look at that thing. Sheesh. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Look at that thing. Woo! The big old belt, too. Belt driven. Hardtail. Look at that thing's all over the road on the highway cruising speed, ain't it? I can see that thing is all over the road, ain't it? Ain't it? I believe it. That's crazy. This side of it. Sheesh. Look at that exhaust. Takes it straight down the bottom. Each pipe's maybe 1.5 feet long. Heck yeah, that thing's looking clean, baby. Looking clean. Be gone. Give me a break. Let's roll. Hey Chuck, get over here. Get this one. Back and side to side. Hey, what you gonna do? Act the fool. Woo, woo. You gonna race? Oh yeah, I got my clear visor on. Still have not got a pin lock for this thing though, man. I really got to do that. Only like 25 bucks or something like that, I think. Maybe 30, who knows. It just slips my mind, you know what I mean? Whenever I actually am home and able to do it, it just slips my mind. I'm sure it happens with y'all too, man. All the time. Zebra cakes, baby. Hey. I think personally, man, I probably like the cosmic brownies the best out of all the like snack cakes. Like that, better like the Swiss rolls, man. Ooh, it's hard to beat a good Swiss roll. Ooh, I forgot I was sleeping on the honey buns. I don't know, man. The honey buns. Lately I've been eating a lot of honey buns too. I feel like I go through my phases where I eat a lot of honey buns. I had a buddy from work one time, man. He brought in something. I want to say it was made by Hostess or Little Debbie. It was like strawberry shortcakes or something like that. And man, they were delicioso. I ended up buying some. They're like unicorn cakes or something. I don't know if you've ever had them, but I think that's the name of them, unicorn cakes. If you see them, definitely get them. They are worth the buy for sure. That's something different too, man. Not everybody's trying that. I bet that WRX thinks he's fast too. That's what's crazy. Who's shotty in the passenger seat, boy? Oh, that's gone. Never mind. My bad, I just got a loogie, y'all. Oh man, not me. Oh, look, my boy Chuck over that chick though. Dang, it's a big old boat. What do y'all think? Some side saddle action? Get down with some side saddle action. Let's get it in, baby. You feel me? Hook him up with that. Oh yeah, baby. But the closer you get to the semi, the more it pushes you around. Oh yeah. Hit him up with that side saddle action, baby. Get him up with that. Woo! Man, I'm starting to get a little more comfortable being back on the R6. Getting used to it and how it makes its power in the wheelies. I'm hype about that. That's definitely lit. This tractor trailer's just side to side, man. That old custom chopper ain't got what it takes to get around that thing. That, and I'm sure it's sketchy at high speeds. But y'all ever seen a car with like, where the whole back of the car is just like covered in like bumper stickers? Why do people do that? That is so ugly. If you cover your whole rear of your car in bumper stickers, you need help, honestly. Like, I mean, it's your money and you do whatever you want to with it, but when you put that many on there, ain't nobody even gonna read half of them, bro. You can't. There's no way, not unless the car's stopped. Unless you're just following them to read them all. I don't know. Tesla is towing. You see that? Tesla towing something. I've never seen a Tesla towing anything. That was crazy to me. That was crazy to me. Excuse my language, but that blew my mind right there, baby. Oh yeah. What y'all think? Should I get it around it? I scare you? Did I scare you? Yes, sir. Okay, I just made that lady's day. Hey, I made that lady's day! On God! Yeah, buddy. Good time to go home. I don't know, man. I just couldn't put underglow on one of my bikes. I don't like how you can see it. You know what I mean? That's exposed and very visible. If you could hide it good, then yeah, go for it. It'd look cool. I don't see a way you can hide it. See what this dude's up there. Oh, that's some old man. He ain't old, but you know what I mean. He's old compared to us. They give a little scat pack action. Which way you want to go? Listen to that thing. Ooh. Hell yeah. Uh-oh. Oh, dude, he missed his gear. We can rerun of that. What can you do? Oh God, that's funny. Heck yeah, man, that thing's sick. See the little flames coming out the bottom? Yes, sir. Oh yeah. Thing sounds good.
What about that cop?
Hell yeah.
What about the cop?
Did you miss a gear or what?
I came from the mud. There's